Flock of birds hovering above. Flock of birds hovering above.
JM on the beat.
I'm praying for a calm life and legit change. Still waiting for an angel to come save my day. I know I done a lot of dirt and I did mistakes. Deep down, God, I wanna be a better man from today. I'm holding on to a lot of stuff I really need. I'm trying so hard to get my music overseas. I'm in it for myself, I ain't in it for the money. When life gets so peak, people think it's so funny. If I'm eating off the plate, I want my family to do as well. I keep realness, I'm even loyal to a girl. Sometimes I have a good time till I'm out of this world. The movement I've been making recently, I'm even proud of myself. Keep my head up till I reach my goals. It's a lonely way to success when I feel so low on this lonely road. Don't want ever feel alone, cause it's never nice to be on your own. So I keep my sadness to myself.
Flock of birds hovering above. Flock of birds hovering above.
Things don't get so damn tough when I get my feelings crushed. I want good things in life, I don't need no bad luck. So I have to keep cool, take my time and don't rush. I'll be the same person, even if I had loads of bucks. I've been true from the start, I'm never moving fate. Keep real to myself, I'm never switching lanes. I know it's sunny outside, but my life's full of grey. I'm just wishing for a nice sky, a nice space. Trust me, that'll be a lovely day. I'm working hard non-stop for that kind of way.
Flock of birds hovering above. Flock of birds hovering above.